it's very a best place to learn English. It is a very best place to learn English for me. It is a first place for me to learn English in Banda Aceh. There is no other place that can replace this place in my heart.
Allahu Akbar, Masya Allah.
I gain a lot of knowledge with you guys. I gain a lot of experience that I cannot get in outside this place. Even this place in my heart, we cannot pay millions of dollars for this place.
Million of dollars, right? Yeah. Not million, billion, right?
We cannot find outside this place. As you can see, in Medan there's no place like this. In Siantar also,
including
no
Java,
place.
right?
Including
Javanese asking me why in your city or your province is that free, right? You don't collect the money every single rupiahs.
Yeah, it is $1 million worth of lesson that I can get really. Yeah,
Make me impressive, you know what?
That's talking about language that we must learn. Firstly, that we must learn is about
English.
English.
That's what I want.
English. But more than English, there is more than important than English that we should learn as a Muslim is Arabic language.
Masya Allah.
Because without Arabic language, we cannot understand what is the Quran meaning, what is the Hadith meaning, something like that. It is okay to learn in the English language to get a lot of knowledge in internet and many kinds of learning that we can get in this world. Something like we can find it on internet, like ebook, like article about technologies, about YouTube, something like that. But if we learn just about technologies without learning about adab or maybe attitude, we are nothing. Because there is the most important thing between high knowledge and attitude is attitude. We should make attitude as the first learning. Attitude, adab, and everywhere we go, we should use like that, something like that. It is if we find a book about adab and attitude in English language, it is not enough. It is really bad to know that our attitude in Western world and Indonesia or maybe Middle East is very different. For example, if we make a handshake, the Western world allow handshake between men and women, and they also allow to make congregations mixing women and men together. But in Middle East and in Asian culture, something like Indonesia, that is forbidden to mixing woman and man. The best thing, the best attitude that we can find is in Quran and Hadith. That is why we need to learn both English and Arabic language, something like that. And also, if you want to learn the new language, something like Spanish, Chinese, also that is really important for nowadays. Chinese, we can get the cheapest thing. We can get the cheapest stuff nowadays from China. China is the main Silk Road nowadays. They have a lot of stuff to sell the world. They produce a lot of stuff. The world is the consumer of China nowadays. We need to learn Chinese language also. Something like that. Okay, thank you.
Right, next question, right? Let me ask something for the best, student world, right? Let me first, right? Yeah.
Why did you say that Chinese language is important to learn? I can assume that. What makes you say that Chinese language is important to learn because of their product? They are the global traders, global merchants now in this era, right? So, are there many Chinese products in North Sumatra, or many North Sumatra people buy from China?
I think what makes us to learn Chinese language is because the economic growth is rapidly, and also many of the Indonesian product is imported from China. Imported from China. As you can see, this is China product. Plastic is China product nowadays, and also our laptop, our handphone nowadays is from China. That is what makes we have to learn to come. It is in this era is a competition era that makes people buying everything from China nowadays. What makes us learn from them is we should make spirit. We should make this society, Indonesian society, should increase their economic value with take an example what the China do. They produce much, they produce more, consume less, something like that. We must produce much and consume less. We must produce to increase our economy in Indonesia. China article is really good to learn.
Right, next question. Got a question? No question, right? All right, ask him if we got a question.
Nowadays, how about Indonesian language right now? As of now, Indonesian people do things good to master Indonesian language well or not? Because right now, another country like Australia, America, they need Indonesian teacher to teach Indonesian language for them.
How really important Indonesian language?
Yeah, how important Indonesian language for them?
I think Indonesian language is very important for Indonesian people. Without Indonesian language, we cannot speak. We should adopt the other language, something like English, Japanese, or maybe Korean. That is make us divided. We are not united anymore without Indonesian language. People in North Sumatra will speak Bataknese. People in Aceh will speak Acehese. That is really complicated to meet each other when they have no main language.
Common
language that they can share ideas, they can share everything in the common language like Indonesian, like in Bahasa Indonesia. But for the foreign country, it is very good for them to learn Indonesian language because Indonesian language has simple grammar. We don't need to learn the complicated grammar for Indonesian language. Everything in Indonesia is about verb 1. There is no verb 2 or verb 3. We don't use past tense, present tense, and also don't use the future tense. Everything is about simple present. Something like that. That's very important.
Because of that, another country will learn Indonesian language because Indonesian language is a
very simple
language than other languages like English or Arabic, right?
We have not much grammar. We have not many grammar to learn in Indonesian language. The most easy language to learn is Indonesia. Thank you.
Got one? Right, any question?
No question.
Alright, I got a question for you, Mr. Rian, right? I'm very impressed to hearing you can speak English very totally fluency, very totally well. No one, your English very good than before, right? Yeah, you always increase by yourself in your hometown in Siantar every single day, you know what? I can't believe that, I can't imagine myself.
You're Simalungun, right?
Yeah.
Simalungun, but we are the
Simalungun, yeah, Siantar, right?
I watched video on Facebook. There's a guy made a video about monkeys. In
Monkeys over there, right? A lot of monkeys there.
Yeah, monkeys.
Yeah.
Monkeys. Still, nature is still not
Uninterrupted.
Uninterrupted over there. Yeah.
Natural.
Totally natural there.
Naturally rainforest.
I got one.
Simalungun. I like it.
Right, I got a question for you. This is very totally simple question for you. You know what? Why do you love English? I mean, why do you like to learn English than the other language? You have any dream to going abroad or not? Give you reason.
Since I was a child, I usually watch American movies.
MashaAllah.
American,
Allahu Akbar, la ilaha illallah.
something like Home Alone, something like you know,
Rambo 1, Rambo 2, Rambo 3, Rambo 4, no what? One less Rambo. Your body look like Rambo, right?
Rainbow, Bad Boys, American movie, every American movie.
Triple X, you know what? Lone Survivors, Day After Tomorrow. Right, keep going.
All every American movies that I watch on the television in the Indonesian televisions. That is what makes me very interesting to learn English language. I want to speak like them. I want to know more about what is the foreign country they do with something like amazing. I am so amazing to know that they can produce a movie like that. They can make actions, a role in movie. They speak very professional, something like that. I'm so
Excited, right?
Yeah,
excited. Very so excited when look them. You know, I can't speak English.
About 50 states, right?
Yeah,
50 states,
50,
America.
53 or 53.
50 states.
50 stay in United States, right? I got that.
Yeah, also the climate in the foreign country makes me so inspired. I really want to go there, but I think the first thing that I must do is learn that language.
Yeah.
How can we go to the foreign country without understand what is they are saying?
That's what I want. That's what I mean. No one.
Yeah. The climate, the situations, the transportation and the cities, culture, really amazing to know. That is what makes me to learn the first foreign language that I learned is English. Since I was a child, I tried to increase my English language just watching movies.
Yeah.
Watching movies. And in this college, I recently know that my friends is reading ebook now. They are reading ebooks that can make us gain a lot of knowledge freely. Just download it on the Google.
Yeah.
Ebook. We can get it. One ebook is equal to $100, right?
Yeah.
$100, but we can get it freely if we search it on Google. A lot of knowledge that we can get on ebook
Nowadays, right?
Right. That is very so impressive for me. You know what? Yeah. Very awesome. When when I got it. I'm not talking to you. You are my student. No, you are my friend, right?
Yeah.
Your English better and better than before, right? Yeah, I'm very impressive. So you can't speak English. You don't have stuck in your English. So it just it have opportunity. Is I'm still here this year or next year. If the coronavirus ends, I will help you. You have to speak like a speaker. You have a choice with one American accent or United States or United Kingdom accent. That's my dream. Nobody will help me about that. Alright, thank you, Mr. Rian.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Welcome, sir.